little trade to shut the hell up. My rhymes is like dropping your head on cement, cracking it open, hoping to make a dent. I'm hell bent on resurrection, perfection, morality with pyro hospitality. Soon to strike it rich like calories, salaries. Sounds like a plan, and I will expand. Here now, whether you like it or not, my plots bring a little light on the situation and all the stipulations. The shit you wasted time on, you pawns. It was planned like that, but we can fight back like David Horowitz and say we want no more of this and put it in a cryogenic status. We mix it with the latest in technology. Hip hop policy and demolish the folly. Get off of me, you can't see this. You're defeated. You'll get you nowhere fast. I tend to my task, cause life is a blast.
Came up a little short and exploded my rims.
Twitch. The playground was meant for like small jumps. The playground ain't for big jumps. I said go somewhere else first, then come back. I'm like, last time I was there and the dirt was this good, I broke my leg in the first 20 minutes. I'm like, I didn't want to see it happen to his dumbass. But he greased it, the top of the deck.
We didn't come out here to hit the 45-footers of Twitch hits. We're at the big shit. Look at what you do when you do 200.
That's awesome.
Look. Look. Huh? Hey, Twitch.
Yeah.
I want to show you something you've never seen before.
What's that?
A broken spoke.